The Sanyo 8mm camcorder, I guess. I'm not sure how old this thing is. It's probably 2000, no, 1996, 7. There's been a tape stuck in here for probably 20 years, and it wouldn't eject anymore. So we're gonna try to get it out. I had to take off pretty much most of the screws, and I got this cover off and this cover, and there's shots of Commander. At the time it was a pretty decent machine. Anyways, we had a request to get this out, and I've come down to that there's some kind of motor that drives the ejection process, and I believe it's right there. And that ribbon there is giving it power, so I'm going to try to get power there. I have the power supply. When you plug it into the thing, it does light up, but it just won't eject, and there's no noise, so I'm not sure what's going on. This is the original power supply. It did charge batteries, and it had batteries, but they're all dead. Anyways, we'll see if we can figure out what power we have here. Okay, I got 10 volts DC coming out of there. The center posts are inside this power thing is the positive, the outside is the negative. It is polarity sensitive on here, but I'm not sure which side is what. Hopefully. Get a touch on these terminals. Oh, that's a good sign. Something going on. Didn't open, but it made a sound, so maybe just switch the polarity. Whoa! Oh, look at that. Uh-oh. Damage there. Christmas 02, 03, Easter 04. Well, there you go. We got it out. Good luck with yours. Thanks for watching.